Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another craft idea I would like to share with everyone. What I'm going to be making is a sign, kind of like those little welcome sign, farmhouse signs that people put outside their front door. In fact, I have one myself, but this one is going to be homemade for my hen house. So I'm working on slowly decorating the hen house so that it just looks really pretty and appealing and everything. So anyways, what I've started to do is just paint one side of this board, and all it is about, I'm not good with measurements, but I think that's about 3 feet. 3 feet long. It doesn't matter, it can be as long as you want it, but at least this one is about 3 or 4 feet long. Piece of wood, and I've just picked out a color paint I like and started painting it. I am using, once again, the apple barrel paints, and I kind of mixed two colors together, the cobalt blue and the glossy white, to get this color. But you can go in and, you know, to the store, they sell them at any of the stores like Walmart. Walmart's really the best place to go. They have the best selection and best price. But anyways, pick you out a color you like and just get you a board. If you have an old board, old piece of wood at your house, you can use that. Or you can get like just one single piece of dogwood ear wood, or you can get two if you want to make it wider, and you could put them together and make a bigger sign. But this is another one of those dog ear post that I used, like I used in my other video, to make the coffee mug holder. You can kind of see behind me. See back there with all the coffee mugs. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna finish painting this, and then I'll come back after it dries, and then I'll take a look at it and probably start to put the letters on here. You can put anything you want on here. You could put welcome to the hen house. My daughter and I thought of some others, but I don't know if it's appropriate, if I can say it on YouTube, but fluffy, you know how chickens have fluffy butts, so fluffy butts only, or fluffy butts only allowed, or like, let's see, welcome to the hen house, I think I said that one. And you could just do welcome, or you could do no roosters allowed, or hen house. You don't even have to say a welcome. There's so many different, you know, you can just think of what you want to write on here and just write it on here. So anyways, I'll come back when I'm done with it and show you. I'll probably, like I said, put wording on here, text, some kind of text like writing, and I might even decorate it. I'm not sure yet. With using stencil. I like to use stencils. So this is what it looks like when it's complete. I went ahead and stenciled the letters on there. I decided to go with hen house. I also used a stencil and drew like flower in the middle to give it a little something, you know, so it wasn't so plain. And like I was showing some of my other pictures, I did paint around the sides with a brown, and then decided to go with white lettering to make it pop. It's an easy craft idea. Have a sunshiny day, everyone.